Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to analyze a setup that formed on gold. It was priceless, a very textbook setup that I know most of you got it, but we'll just walk through it and see, for those who missed it, how you get to, trade live. So as you can see, the market is still ongoing. I've just gotten out of a trade, got out some nice 50 pips. And yeah, I want to show you how this trade happened. So we have our high of the day set in Asia and our low of the day set in the first hour of the New York trading window. But as you can see, the first hours gives us a nice pump to the high. So when I come to the market and I see the market has given me a nice pump to the high like this, I know that, the faster we go up, the faster we are going down. Now, the 1 minute time frame, this is what happened. We have our first hour evolving, giving us this pump to the high. Now, if you're like me and you came in the second hour, then you probably missed the first opportunity to enter this trade. But the process is still the same. We have the pump in the first hour, and then we have this M pattern at the last minutes of the hour. We have our M pattern with the break of structure. So this is an already broken down market. Remember, this is the pump. The faster we go up, the faster we go down. Now, the market gives us an engulfment at 905. This is a very valid entry point. But it only applies to the markets that have this pump to the high. Not the regular pump and dumps that, form over sessions. I'm talking about the one, I think this is news. I don't know. I didn't look at the calendar today, but probably news catalyst. But for me, I don't really care about that stuff. As long as it's not in my trading window. If it happens before, then I'm coming to trade what the market is giving me. So, as you can see, we have our first entry here. At the engulfment breaks the quarter level, so you can enter here and have your exit 50 pips, easy 50 pips. So yeah, but if you're like me, you came in during the first hour and you got in late. Now for me, this is, even though this is an entry for me, I like entries that make sense to me. Because, well, yesterday I got stopped out for making a stupid mistake, but yeah, I don't want to repeat any mistake. So what I want to see is that, well, this is an already broken down market. I want a retest, a true retest. Then that will be an entry for me. Plus it would have a lot of confluences. So the market continues breaking down. In the first 15 minutes, even the second 15 minutes, the market drops around 150 pips. So what I'm looking for is just the retest for a continuation, because I know this is a falling down market. So what do? I wait for, you see, the market in the first hour gives us a nice trend line where we know the price can come back to retest. So I'm waiting for the price to come back to this trend line, and then after it has crossed this trend line, I'm looking for the pump and dump setup, a mini pump and dump setup. So the market gives us a nice, starts pumping up again and pumps to the high. And this time it goes 25 pips, 25 pips, 25 pips, 75 pips of a retest, And then at the double zeros is where the rejection is, 2040. Then it gives us a nice M pattern. As you can see, a nice M pattern. The M pattern, a retest, we are looking for an engulfment. And the engulfment was here at 9:58, 2 minutes prior to the close of the second hour. That was my entry. That was my entry short. So 37.50 with a 50 pip target, a simple 50 pip target, which, as you can see, the market did give me a nice setup. Trade setup, simple. Even though it was not as fast as it was supposed to be, it still gave me my 50 pips. In and out, no pressure, no heat in the trade, no heat. So yeah, it all comes down to understanding what you're looking for in the market and actually learning something. Every single day is an opportunity for you to learn how to trade or how not to trade. Look at the things that work, focus on those things, cut out the things that don't work. So as you can see, for me, I know if we are testing, I'm not trying to get in here because I know the market can retest anytime. Even here, the market can retest anytime because my strategy is simple. It's either we have the first hour sets the high, then second hour comes back to the high. That is when we have a normal day. You know, there is no big pumps. It's just the first hour setting the high. But if it's a nice pump like this, then I am expecting the market to continue falling. It might not reach the high, but the trend line gives us an area where to expect the retest to actually subside and continue with the trend. And it has continued the trend. Nice trend, got me 50 pips, and I'm satisfied with that. So hopefully those of you who still have concerns or you still don't understand how the pump and dump works, this is the pump, this is the dump, and you're just looking for an edge where you can enter the market to skew the probability of having a winning trade. Otherwise, hopefully you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, stay disciplined, stay focused, and yeah, may the markets be with you. See you tomorrow.